The mineral extraction industry has a fundamental participation in the gross domestic product and represents 1.4% of all Brazil's GDP. From July 2018 to June 2019, Brazil exported a volume of more than 409 million tons of mineral goods and generated foreign exchange of $29.9 billion. The rates of deaths, injuries, and illness in the mining sector are high, especially when considering the number of people exposed to these risks, such as explosions, choking, falling rocks, noise, exposure to dust, poor lighting, ventilation deficiency, among others. Because of these issues, mining is considered one of the most dangerous economic activities. How can technology make one of Brazil's main economic activities safer? Well, thinking about it, we developed MonitORE. The purpose of this project is to create a wearable device that's used by each miner, obtaining information from both the environment, such as noise, temperature, and gas emissions, as for the user, such as heart rate, oxygen, saturation, location, and position. According to research, several workers, including miners, have an aversion to the use of new personal protective equipment. Therefore, our project consists of two modules. The first is the module of data collection by sensors using an Arduino Uno. This module will be embedded in a jacket. Thus, ensuring the monitoring of the health and safety of workers through something that's already part of their clothing. The first module will send the collected data to the second module via LoRa mesh. The second module consists of an Arduino Uno with an ASP8266 for sending the data to the application. Our prototype currently features heart rate and oxygen saturation sensors, gyroscope and accelerometer, temperature and humidity, and the sound sensor. We're still waiting for the MQ135 sensor for toxic gases. We are wearing a second skin style shirt for the prototype. The heart rate and oxygen saturation sensor will be located on the wrist of the jacket since this part is close to the worker, facilitating the measurement. The other sensor, as well as the Arduino and the power source, will be located in the back of the jacket. The wires connecting the sensors on the jacket sleeve to the other components of the back will be arranged comfortably for the worker. The supervisor system has access to the data collected by the sensors of each worker, both from the work environment and from the health of the worker who uses it. As we can see in the video, from this data are generated graphics which visually stores the history of readings. We're waiting for the gas sensors to arrive to connect it to the system and be able to embed it in the shirt. This project is being developed by Alencar, Djeysi Alves, and Uendel Couto, under the supervision and guidance of Professor Max Santana. And this was the presentation of the MonitORE project. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.